What's up guys, NDM Tech here. As usual, OnePlus announced their T upgrade, and this is the OnePlus 6T. OnePlus 6T obviously looks similar to OnePlus 6 except for the lack of fingerprint sensor on the back, headphone jack, now OnePlus also ditched the headphone jack. And they added a water drop notch, which is kind of a new notch trend. This is the mirror black finish and it is a fingerprint magnet. The phone, like its predecessor, is built well. It weighs 185 grams and with this size it seems fine. I love the fact that OnePlus still kept that alert slider similar to what we have seen on iPhones, and like what I said in my previous OnePlus review, all iPhones have that, all OnePlus phones have that, and I think every smartphone manufacturer should implement that on their phones. It has a great 6.4-inch color accurate display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340. OnePlus ditched the headphone jack and increased the battery capacity. No headphone jack for more battery life seems okay for me, because more battery life equals more time to use your phone, right? So it has a 3700 mAh battery and it lasts all day. On the front it has a water drop notch following a new notch trend, kind of. All companies need to get rid of the notch soon, and that's when Sharp announces a phone with 2 notches. Come on man, really? 2 notches? So yeah, back to the OnePlus 6T. It doesn't have a facial recognition system or a fingerprint sensor on the outside. Instead, it has an in-display fingerprint sensor. It works well and speed is okay. I mean, it's a new tech move, so yeah, it's okay. In the camera department, it has dual cameras, a 16 megapixel primary sensor and a 20 megapixel secondary sensor. It can now shoot videos in 4K at 60 frames per second, and the camera has a new mode called Night. But it isn't that great. It seems like it's gonna shoot great low light photos, but then it is just that all low light mode. This is how photos look like. And it has a 16 megapixel front camera, and this is how photos from it looks like. Okay, now let's read the spec sheet. It has a Snapdragon 845 with an Adreno 630 GPU. 6GB or 8GB RAM options for 128GB storage and 8GB RAM for 256GB. And it's running the all-new Android Pie. Rest of the things are same as OnePlus 6. Like, it still doesn't have wireless charging. I like the way how OnePlus argues for it. They said wireless charging isn't as fast as dash charge. I mean, it's true, but then it'll be cool to have wireless charging with it. OnePlus 6T doesn't have water resistance, and we still can't expand the storage. So OnePlus 6T is basically like a refined OnePlus 6. That's it for today guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, and you can leave ideas for my next video in the comment sections below. See you guys in the next one.